So most of you are probably using Premiere to make your video, but I think you're gonna have to use After Effects to make some effects, and there's a way to link After Effects clips into Premiere. So let's say you have like a bunch of random clips. Okay. This one. Okay, so let's say you have these 3 clips and you want to make a transition between these 2 clips, but you don't really know how to do it in Premiere, so you have to select both you have to click Shift and click both. And then right click on the clips, click Replace with After Effects Composition. So what this will do, this will open up a new composition in After Effects. And anything that you do to the clips here will appear in this pink area here. So no matter what you do here, it doesn't really matter. You can just delete them, and then here it's going to be black too. And then if you do Command Z, then it should appear again. Yep. So here you can just do whatever transition, including the zoom transition or whatever, and then it will appear back in Premiere. The thing with doing this is that this is red, meaning that it's unrendered, so it's going to be very slow probably. Like it's really laggy. So what you have to do, right click here, mark clip, sequence, render into out. I'm not going to do this right now because it takes too long, but if you do this, it takes a little while, but when you're re-watching your video in this area here, it'll run smoothly. So every single time that you do this, I like to render it so that whenever I watch it back, I'm able to watch it through like it would be in the final video. So yeah.